When it comes to screen mirroring, there's only one software that ranks at the top, and its name is TC Game, because not only it is well optimized, but it's also fully compatible with all Android devices. Another major reason for its top ranking is its keymapping feature, which comes pre-built in this software. Additionally, this software provides keymapping specifically for shooting games. As for pricing, it's free to use, but if you purchase paid plan, you'll get some exclusive features. Moreover, its download size is not too large, just 4.5 MB, so you can easily download it. So now let's move to the computer screen, and I'll explain the rest of the process there.
Let's roll.
So I've arrived at the PC screen, and let's first discuss the things required to run TC Games. Firstly, you'll need an Android phone, whether it's high-end or low-end. It doesn't matter. Additionally, you should have the setup file for TC Games, and TC Games should also be installed on your mobile device. Lastly, you'll need a data cable. Firstly, we'll install TC Games. For that, you need to right-click on the zip file and extract it. After extraction, you'll have a folder where you need to launch the setup. Then, choose the language and click on the Next button. Next, you need to accept the license agreement and click on the Install button. Alright, TC Games has been installed. Now, let's move to the mobile screen, and I'll explain the rest of the process there. After coming to your mobile, first, you need to go to the main settings of your Android device and then scroll down to the About section of your phone. Here, you'll find an option called Build Number. Simply click on it 8 to 10 times. Then, the developer settings of your phone will be unlocked. Now, go back and click on the developer options. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find an option called USB debugging. Just enable this option. After that, go back and launch the TC Games application, then connect your mobile to the PC. Now, you need to come back to your PC and launch the TC Games application. If you encounter an error like this during the connection process, it means that the mobile drivers are missing on your PC and you need to install them manually. I'll provide you with a link to a website where you can find drivers for almost all mobile devices. As soon as you launch TC Games, it will automatically connect your phone to the PC. As you can see, my PC has successfully connected to the mobile, and it's incredibly fast. I've placed both the mobile and PC together, and you can see there's absolutely no delay, and I'm getting around 30 to 50 FPS. Let's delve into this in a bit more detail. On the right side, you'll notice some options from where you can easily access key mapping and mouse settings, and you can also use this tool in full screen mode. Moreover, if you go to the top, you can access some additional settings easily. By default, all these settings are customized according to your PC, but you can increase them if you wish. Below, you'll find the resolution option, which you can increase up to 1080p, but remember, the more you increase it, the more lag you may experience, so I recommend keeping all these settings at their default values. Let's talk about key mapping now. I've launched a game here where we'll do key mapping. On the right side, you'll see a key mapping button. When you click on it, your key mapping will be activated. Now, wherever you click on the screen, keys will be assigned accordingly. Additionally, you can drag and drop special keys from here. Overall, I found this tool quite useful. If you're facing any issues with any Android emulator, you can use this tool. It's completely free. Also, if you're looking for a low-end version of Windows for yourself, click on the video on the right, and I'll meet you there.